Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix app requires iOS 14 or later. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to install any app on your iPhone or iPad and facing this type issue that this application requires iOS 14 or later. So let's see how can you fix that issue. So basically it happens when you are using the lower version of iOS 14. It might be iOS 13 or 12 or something else. So you'll face this type issue that your phone cannot run this app or your iOS version cannot run this app. Now to fix that issue, you have a simple way. You just have to go back from here. Very first thing is that you have to connect to any network, then go back, open your settings, go for general. You have to try to update your software. If you find any software update, that is software must be updated to iOS 14, 15 or later, so you will not get the issue again. Or if you don't find any updates here, so you can easily use your computer to reboot iOS 14 into your iPhone or your iPad, and after that you'll be able to run that app. Or in some cases, if your iOS 14 doesn't installed on your iPhone, so you'll not be able to use that app until you get iOS 14 on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.